Here we are. Okay, we're back home. I wanted to show you this bowfin, crazy old ancient fish, dinosaur, whatever you want to call him. I'm about to clean him so we can eat him tonight. But here he is up close. Look at the plates on his jaw down here. Look at that one big plate right there. I don't know what that's for. He's got teeth and a dang little nostril hairs or whatever you call them. His head is hard as a dang brick. And this, shoot, his scales are really thick. So I'm about to clean this bad boy. Set you up here so you can see him. Maybe. There we go. And this is usually a pretty sharp knife. And you can't hold on to the sucker. These big ones have a lot of meat in them. Oops. Going on the wrong side, ain't I? I can find his backbone here. And dude, I think he's already started to get a little bit he's got a long rib cage too. His meat's starting to get a little bit soft already. Flip back over. Goodness. Finally to the back of his ribs. Right there. I didn't do an excellent job at that, but whew. Dang. Ain't that something? Now we got to do the other side. Come on, cut in there. Goodness. think I need to sharpen my knife. I think I've dulled it. Trying to cut through them darn scales. Through the skin. Luckily, I do have a sharpener. Oh yeah, I probably should have sharpened it before I started, you know. Come on, buddy. Almost, his meat almost looks like catfish, except for it's, like I said, it'll fall apart if you don't eat it the same day. We got to eat this tonight, or it won't be no good. It'll be soft and mushy, and that will be it. All right. That's why I keep these big old gallon bags out here. So I can put my fish in them. This is going to the garden. I'll lay it out of the way. All right, let's do this. Almost lost it. Here it is. Woohoo! Bunch of meat, ain't it? I'll wash it before I cook it. I don't wash it until right before you cook it. The coons love us around here. They come eat our scraps, I'm sure. Coons or coyotes. All right, let's do this one. There we go. Ooh, I left a little bit on the top end of that one. Okay. Walmart, great, yeah. No. Well, okay. Anyway, this is the... Hey, Carter.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Solving a Rubik's Cube.
Okay. This is our bowfin now that it's cooked. And it's pretty hot, but it's flaky just like any fish. It's not fall apart and mushy. It's actually pretty good. And that butter I got on it, I did this in the air fryer too. But instead of putting it in the grease. But that's pretty good stuff right there. I bet Izzy likes it too. Thank you for going with us. Like and subscribe. We'll see you later.